The Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro was recently released. In my opinion, I don't see many reasons to purchase this device, and it's a skip in my book. We're gonna talk about some of those reasons why. But first, guys, I'm sorry I haven't been making as many videos. I've been having to deal with going in and out of the hospital and health issues. If you guys want to support me, the best thing you guys can do is subscribe and share my videos to help me generate more revenue from views. But the first reason that we're going to skip the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, if I'm just a general consumer overall, is that they released a device with the same specs, the same camera, the same hardware, a slightly smaller battery, same charging speed, better screen earlier this year with the Xiaomi Mi 10. And in a lot of markets, if you can find an older Xiaomi Mi 10, not even necessarily a used one, even though I bought a used device, but if you can find a Xiaomi Mi 10 at your local retailer, they're probably gonna have a lower price on it just because the device is no longer the newest thing. And for that price, you are going to be getting an identical performing device as the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. The second reason that I want to skip the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro and advise people against the device is that it's a new device from Xiaomi in regards to a new model, but we've already seen where Xiaomi's tech is going on, like, in a linear progression. This comes in two areas. The first is the battery charging tech. The 33 watt maximum charger that you get with the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro is no different than the 33 watt charger that we got with the Xiaomi Mi 9. Even though it's a 27 watt charger, both of these chargers have the same performance, and it's only the 33 watt charger that is a maximum theoretical output of 33 watts, but you never really get that. So you're getting a device with a 1.5 year old charging tech. The camera wise, the camera on it is a worse camera setup than what we had on the Xiaomi Mi Note 10, which came out a year ago. And it is the identical camera setup to what I have on the Xiaomi Mi 10 Normal, which came out 5 months ago. Coffee break. I know I shouldn't be taking coffee or drinking coffee with antibiotics, but needed it for this video. Now, the camera on the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro isn't bad, but we know that Xiaomi is gonna be moving towards these lower megapixel, higher surface area sensors with what we see in the Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. That's the bleeding edge for Xiaomi's camera tech. And in the future, we probably are going to be seeing more cameras like that. And I don't think the 108 megapixel camera is going to be around much longer, especially since Samsung isn't even using it in the Note 20 Ultra. Now, the third and final reason that I would skip this device is the screen. It uses a 144 hertz LCD display. Now, I'm not an LCD display hater, and I think that LCD displays can still be really good displays with great colors, great blacks. But in a lot of markets that the Mi 10T Pro is launching in, you can still get a Xiaomi Mi 10 with a 90 hertz AMOLED display. Most people would choose the AMOLED display. So for all of these reasons, I have a hard time recommending people go out and buy the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. Now, if you care about warranty, international ROMs or international versions of devices, and just being able to just go into a shop and purchase this, the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro might be a okay device for you, as the Mi 10T Pro is launching in a ton of markets. So for those that don't want to have to deal with importing it or finding a Xiaomi distributor or a Xiaomi retailer in their area, the Mi 10T Pro might not be a bad choice. It's just a choice that I have difficulty recommending to the average consumer, since it's essentially a 6-month-old design with year-old tech at a higher price. If you guys enjoy these rapid fire, like hit or miss type of videos, let me know in the comment section down below. I thought it was a good idea to give my take and try to limit it for like under 6 or 7 minutes with a video like this. Also, if you guys want to go ahead and check out videos about the Xiaomi Mi 10 camera, what you could expect from the Mi 10T camera, go ahead and check out this video right here. If you want to see Gcam about this device, click or tap this video right here. And until next time, it's been Mitchell. Peace.